Morning guys, Vulcan Trader here for another market update. So let's see, about the only thing doing here, I'm about to sell it now or at the market open here. I'm going to be selling AMC, so he broke the yesterday's low here, and then it was kind of weak right here if you see, instead of continue holding up at least half the day, it lost majority of it, and then breaking the prior day's low, so that means we could get it down, at least pull back down to here. So, and then maybe it continues down. Maybe this is a double top. I don't know, but just too extended for me to keep holding it without it just ripping right from here, if that makes sense. And then and then I got stopped out of Workhorse. See it. I mean, if you wanted to, you could hold it longer, sell half. I sold all of it because there's a gap here, so I expect it to go down to here. At least, but you could hold it till it closes below the 20-day moving average here. But yeah, I stopped out of all mine, so I'm taking that one off. And then I'm still gonna keep watching AMC. And then, but other than that, let's see. I'm holding all these because all the stuff, my crypto stuff, because Bitcoin's still up above its moving averages. I'm still holding the BitW, the BitQ, the OBTC, ETHE, GDLC. MicroStrategy still holding, and then UWMC, it touched the 10-day moving average, but didn't close below it. It bounced off it, just filled the gap here. So I actually had I still had my calls, but I had a stop here. I forgot I put a stop last week. I shouldn't have done it, but anyway, made a mistake. But yeah, you should still hold this. It bounced off the 10-day moving average, looking fine there, and then ACAD still holding up above its moving averages, so still holding that. And that's pretty much it for today as far as a market update. Nothing else to do. So I guess I'll be holding let's see what else we got. Anything else looking good? So all the yeah, these are kind of like all the growth momentum stocks that were hot last year. All of them were red. They're not looking so hot, looking kind of bearish at the moment. Don't look like, if anything, could be turning down. So I wouldn't want to hold these. Below their moving averages are kind of look like bear flags on a lot of them here almost. Maybe if they stopped here, like Palantir, it looked good, but then reverse right at that's sometimes be a fake out, and then it could drop lower here. But if it resets up, you'd buy it back whenever, it goes back up here. Tesla, I don't know. Well, might want to buy some puts, really. And that's another thing I got. Larry Williams, he's a world famous futures trader, holds the record for largest futures return in a year. He got I think it was 11,000% return in 1 year. Anyway, it has this. He calls it a Machu Picchu trade. I'm not sure why, but anyway, it's on the 8th to the last trading day of June, which would be June 18th. So in 2 more days, you buy puts on the S&P 500, and you do it. Maybe I'm not sure why, but it has something to do with just maybe the summer coming up or something, and traders it being weaker, and then you just hold it till the end of the month or something like that. I believe I'll have to go rewatch his video. It's on stockcharts.com. Larry Williams' recent video if you want to go watch it. But might buy some just SPY puts or something. But so maybe some AMC puts. I'll have to look at how much those cost. But anyway, I wouldn't recommend that for most people until shorting's hard. I wouldn't recommend shorting and just sticking to long only strategy until you kind of get some more skill under your belt. But if I do that, I'll make another video on it on the puts if I end up doing it, so you know which ones to do. And then let's see the indexes. How are they doing? So like the Nasdaq, which has been the leader, but it's actually not at the moment, which is kind of funny. Maybe it's lagging at this point because all the big tech stocks, are starting to underperform, possibly because they have been so long. I mean, it's like S&P 500 is actually above its all-time high, whereas the NASDAQ took it a little longer actually to get there. Not by much, but anyway. You see we've been on this run up above these moving averages, and you got 1, 2, 3, so maybe this is a head and shoulders. At least a slight one. I don't know if we're going to get a correction just because there's so much money, or a big correction, I should say. I mean, we could get a small one from here. But before the next leg up, we might need another good pullback because probably everybody's long at this point, I'd imagine. And then you get that breakout out to the all-time high and then reverse. Outside reversal day almost if we break the low here. Yeah, might be a good shorting opportunity today, actually. Or in a day or two. Anyway. Yeah, so I don't see too many other good stuff. Wall Street bet stocks, they were the kind of the leading. I don't think, I mean, AMC was the only one really holding up out of these. Yeah, none of them looking good. So, yeah, maybe I'll buy some AMC puts, but I'll make another video if I do that or something. That might be a good play, actually, at this point. A Doge, Clove. Workhorse, yeah, Wish is kind of Wall Street's best stock. I still got that. I'll hold it if I'll hold it up a little bit. I'm gonna hold it until it breaks like 9.59 or something. But anyway, like, subscribe for me, please. Share these videos, and let me know if you find them helpful, and comment if there's anything else you'd like to see or hear me talk about. Thanks. Talk to you later. Have a good day. Live long and prosper. How about that?